Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Alright, today we're gonna change out the toilet valve right here, the control valve. It's leaking water, it's not holding it. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. Make sure to turn off your house water. Alright, so this house, they actually have a cutoff valve. This is actually the valve right here. That's where you want to look for. Sometimes outside, sometimes inside the house. Cutout valve, the main cutout valve is it. So we're gonna turn it back on because we turn off the water. That way you don't have to go outside. Make sure, just leave it slow. You do it slowly. Just temporary for now. That's the thing that controls it. Alright. Let's see, we're gonna flush this.
Just taking some water that comes out.
It's okay. Just a little bit of water. Yeah. We will be fine. Just turn it. It's gonna get wet. Oh, they have specs wrong.
Oh, wait, nothing came out?
Nope, nothing.
Oh, because you didn't test it. Okay.
Yeah. I haven't worked one with the PEX. I gotta turn this guy. Yeah, this is 7/8 by 3/8. It's the head. We can reuse the old one.
Well, the faucet's bad. This one is leaking.
Yeah, I got it. It moved. There we go. There we go. Slowly moving. There we go. I didn't want to ruin the plastic. Right there. Oh, interesting. What an interesting fitting. Cap. Oh, there's a ring right here. I can take out the ring. Use this. Right here. Comes with a replacement, but it's hard to take out, so I'm gonna see if it fits.
So the threads aren't scratched on the end, right?
Well, this is a perfect fit, by the way. So that works.
This is fine.
Yeah. You know what? Give me some Teflon. I'm gonna put some Teflon on here so it's easier to take out. Oh yeah. At least your plumber don't have any butt cracks.
Confirmed. None.
All right, where's the other one? So we're using this one.
You should probably tell your viewers the right way to use Teflon too.
Just Google it, guys.
Counterclockwise or clockwise?
There's the new
Should
fitting.
put the other Teflon tape on there first.
All right, 7/8.
You just need one.
Yeah, just give me the Teflon.
Okay, give it mascara.
Oh, this is such a nice wrench. Oh, my back.
Adjust it.
Hey, is that loosened? No. Righty tighty. Wait. Is it opposite? Oh my god, it's opposite. I don't want it too tight. Okay. Ooh, fancy. Okay. All right, let's go and install this. Rom, you want to install this?
No, go ahead. You can do the clean part too.
Yeah. Go. All right. Typically, you can just take this out. Here. After that, and then I have to unscrew this. It's the bottom. Okay. Where's the wrench? They have a bottom part. Lever? Huh? Oh, it's right here.
Wait, why would this leak?
So we're taking this apart. Just lift it up. There you go. So easy. Is that the new one?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Correct. Then we'll flush it out. Okay.
Very technically difficult installation.
All right.
All right. Don't forget to install this part. This is what gives you that stream of water above. If you don't install this, your toilet will flush and you'll have barely any water in there. So if that happens, you forgot this part.
Is it the water stream valve?
Yeah, it sends water to the top.
Make sure it's all in. All right. And then we just clip the control valve right here. There we go. That's tight, right?
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
This was actually really loose too.
All right. I tightened that a little bit. Yep. Close this. All right. And then we'll go turn on the water. I love that this is hand tightened. Really nice. All right. Hang on. It worked.
Cool, perfect. The
Look, it
alignment's
filled
also
up.
right. And it stopped below there.
No water drip. All right. Give it a flush.
All right.
All right.
Down the hatch.
Yep. Everything works. We're done. Thanks for tuning in.